ride a scooty, at that time nobody look at you. When you ride bike,
Bike.
everybody loves to look at you. At that
Yes,
time, I
yes.
feel
Good
very.
afternoon. Good
Thank you so
afternoon.
much for inviting me on your channel. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for connecting with me and good afternoon. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What about you?
Yes, I'm also doing great. I'm fit as a fiddle. Everything is hunky
That's
dory from
good.
my side also.
Okay.
Yeah. How have you been doing?
So,
How was your day so
yeah,
far?
I have been taking my classes and I have at 5 p.m. also. I have one more class at 5 p.m. And then I will go for driving class. Then after coming back, I have another class. Then after I also have another class.
Oh, you are so busy. Okay, you give
Yes.
sessions or you take online sessions?
I teach online.
Okay, you teach online. So
Hmm.
one to one
Hmm. One to one and group classes also.
depends. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, actually recently I saw one of your video. You were riding means bike.
Yeah. Yeah, I learned.
Great.
I
And
love to ride bike. I feel like when I drive car, at the time I don't feel like driving that. I'm just learning because of there is a need to learn that.
hmm,
There
hmm,
is a reason. Otherwise, I don't like cars. And even when I sit inside the car, I feel like suffocation and I
hmm.
don't feel like good. But when
No.
I ride a bicycle, at that time I feel like I'm on top, you know,
Okay.
I'm the boss.
Okay,
So I
great.
feel very
Yeah,
proud
actually
at
it
that
happens.
moment.
I think it's a good feeling even riding a bike compared to the means driving a car. And
Yeah.
especially for the
When you
people.
drive, when
Yeah.
you really good.
You get attention. You get attention.
Hmm.
Yeah, because obviously
Seriously,
we are living in such kind of society where we haven't seen,
where
means
we are not
especially,
allowed.
yeah, especially we never have been see, okay, the girls is riding a bike. Now girls, little girls, some means few
Yeah,
girls are going.
a few only.
Yeah,
Yes.
a few, yeah, even few, yeah, not a few.
Hmm. Yes, not a few.
Yeah. But now means even recently I saw maybe it's this Sunday or last Sunday. So I saw I watched your video short.
Mhm. I uploaded two times, two or three times, I think
Okay,
so.
okay, but recent, yeah,
Hmm.
maybe this Sunday or last Sunday I watched it and I was feeling very
That
good.
was not on Saturday. That was on, I think, on Th- Wednesday, I think so. I
Okay, okay,
uploaded
okay.
last time.
But yeah, means
Hmm.
I saw because I know you, so that's why I can relate. I can, yeah, resonate with you. Okay, wow. Means
Yes.
yeah, I,
Do
yeah.
you also know how to ride
No, I don't means I can drive a means I can ride a scooty.
car?
I did it,
Okay, okay.
but I don't know how to drive a car. Even I means we have a car, but my and I also want to learn driving
Why
not
don't you learn?
since a
Then
very
why don't you
long
learn
time. But now we are living in Noida, and here is lot of traffic, so it's very
in
difficult.
Delhi also? In
Hmm.
Delhi also.
So now I'm not feeling okay, which now I should learn driving because it's very difficult. Sometimes you are not going wrong, but people comes from another
Wrong,
side.
but we can't, yes, we
We
can't
can't do
say
anything.
anything about
Mm.
others.
Mm.
Hmm.
Even sometimes I feel okay, I should go, but means when I think about the traffic, especially traffic, manual car is
But
good
if you have
nowadays.
girls, then you should try to learn at least. You should
Mm.
try to learn at
Yeah.
least.
Not now, actually, since a very long time, actually, I want to learn and drive a car because obviously I
Okay.
am the eldest one in my family before my marriage.
Mm-hmm.
So most of the time, whenever we go outside, so obviously I can ride a scooty. So that was enough for us at that time. Means I
Okay.
can
Still
manage
you
it.
ride?
No,
Still do you ride
In
scooty?
Noida, because of traffic, I don't feel to means use even scooty or not because it's very easy. Here we are getting a cab.
If you are alone at that time, you can ride, na? At that time, you can ride
Yeah,
when
yeah,
you are alone.
yeah. And now, especially, actually, I have a son, and my son is little naughty, mischievous. So what happens now? I feel means I can ride if he's not there. Otherwise, what happens?
Yeah, at that
I
time, you can do it.
yeah, yeah. It's not. I don't feel comfortable if he's with me because what happens now?
Yeah,
Sometimes
of course, of course.
yeah.
We don't know what they're doing behind
Yes,
us,
behind us.
you know.
Yeah. So that
It's
is
very
a
difficult
major,
to.
yeah, that is a major concern, which means that is a major concern and reason too. That's I'm not
Mhm.
riding a scooty even here.
Now I am collecting some guts to take my bike on road alone.
Very good.
because without any help, but I am not able to do that now.
I feel
But
good
very
when
soon
I
I will
see
do.
people like this.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
also feel the
even
same.
driving a car, not now, means it's been almost 10 year back. It was very, means hardly a few people can drive a car at that time, especially
I
girls.
don't feel anything when I drive a car. I don't feel anything.
Yeah.
Not happiness, not anything. I don't feel
Okay.
anything. Any like I don't feel happiness while driving a car.
But
When
I
I
think
ride a
it's skill. Bike.
bike, that time I can't tell my happiness to you.
Yeah.
How I feel at that moment. I really feel good at that
Right
time
up
when I
in the
ride
air. Yeah.
bike.
You are like up in the
Hmm.
air. And I also,
Yes.
yeah. And I can also feel very good.
Hmm.
Great, great, great.
Okay, so what do you love to do in your spare time?
Actually, nowadays I'm learning this language, and whenever I get time, so I love to do reading.
You are already good at it.
Yeah, but there is always a next level.
Of course, yes.
And there is always a next level. And now I have started my channel also, and I also teach some people
Okay.
online. So obviously, na
Oh,
means when
wow.
we have a 100% knowledge, so I can pour it to my learners at least 40 to 50%.
Yes. And that's good. We
Hmm.
can check our level in this way. You know,
Hmm.
whatever I know, am I able to teach others or not? So we
Hmm.
can check.
Hmm. So that's why
Mhm.
I feel means as a learn means as a teacher is a learner first. Then
Yes.
we can teach
We
every
have to be
time.
ready
Yeah.
for learning every time.
Every time we are means I'm
Mhm.
learning, and now means I'm learning more after teaching, because I'm after teaching I'm getting
Mhm.
okay where I'm lacking, what I have to learn, because
Okay.
English, and because
Yeah,
English
we
is
get to know many things about
hmm,
us when we
about
start
us,
teaching.
where we are making
I
mistakes.
have been teaching since 2010 when I was teaching in the school. For the very first time, I started teaching in the school. So I was not aware about so many things about English. And
Hmm.
my principal, he was very supportive. He guided me. And in this way, I took interest in learning grammar,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
slowly and gradually, I took interest to teach more and more. So when you teach, you get to know about you, where you are lacking, what you need to learn, and what is important, what is not that much important. You
Hmm.
need to learn many things at that time when you're teaching, and you
Hmm.
get to learn many things
Hmm.
also. So in this way we learn.
Even I also feel means when we started to teach, so we can learn more than that,
Yeah,
because then
sometimes student ask the question which we are not aware about that.
aware. Yeah, it
At
happens.
that time we think about learning that. So
And
from that point also we start learning something new.
Some learners, they are very
Mhm.
curious. They want to learn so many things. They want to get the answer. So it's very good for us also. For me, especially, I feel, because after that I get a
Mhm.
chance to see, okay, what was that, and to have a
One more
curiosity.
thing I would love to say, everybody can be a good speaker, but not everybody can be a good teacher,
Hmm.
because you don't know what your student will ask to you. You
Hmm.
must have the answer of their questions.
Yes. Yes.
So in teaching, I'm quite good. I
Hmm.
can solve
Sure.
every query.
Yeah.
Most of the queries I can
Hmm.
solve.
Hmm.
But in speaking, I feel like I'm not that much fluent as I'm fluent in teaching. I'm good at teaching.
Comfortable.
So I
Yeah.
feel like this.
Hmm.
Yeah,
It happens.
I can speak in this way, but
Hmm.
that is also good. But I
Hmm.
feel more comfortable while teaching.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Because I have been teaching for a very long time, so I have experience which type of question do they ask, and which type of question they can ask anytime. So I keep myself ready for every kind of situation. So
Hmm.
I can manage every difficult situation easily. I
Hmm.
have that
It's
talent.
a good thing. Yeah. Now you became veteran. You became seasoned.
Yeah.
And since a very long
Yes.
time, like you took that time also spoken classes, and now you are also teaching spoken classes?
No, previously I used to teach all the subjects,
All
but
the subjects.
my interest was in English only, because I
Mm-hmm.
was learning something from my teacher. He wanted me to teach English in his school every time. He
Mm-hmm.
forced me to teach English. So
Mm-hmm.
I became an English teacher there in his school, and in this way I started taking interest in it.
Mm-hmm.
So because of him, I took interest in teaching seriously.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, obviously, actually, teaching is an art, and means teaching comes later. Firstly, as a teacher, what I feel we should know, or we should think about our learners. We should, okay, what question they are, what's going on their mind, what is their level, and I feel it's very
Yes.
difficult task also. Now you are
Yes, of
veteran, means
course.
now you can do. but getting means about their level, and after that how to
You
teach
know,
them.
if you ask me anything, if I don't know the answer, I will not be silent in that case
Hmm.
also. If I
Hmm.
don't know, I will say something about that. I will
Hmm.
have the
Hmm.
answer.
Hmm.
I will not be ready to explain all the things
Hmm.
exactly,
Hmm.
but
Hmm.
I will say something. I will
Hmm.
make you understand little bit if I don't know.
Hmm. Hmm.
Otherwise, I have answer.
Now you are veteran. Obviously, you are doing it. But in my
Hmm.
case, what I do, suppose if I don't know anything, so I just take it and I write it somewhere, and then I say, okay, tomorrow I will teach you, and tomorrow I will tell you. Because sometime it happens.
Because
Suppose
when
with me,
yes, it
because now
happens
I
because
started.
when you start recently, na, at that time you
Hmm.
get to know so many new things in your life.
Hmm. Hmm.
But when you have been teaching for a long time, you are already aware about which type of question they are going to ask,
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
know.
Hmm. Even
So
now they ask.
that's why I'm telling.
Yeah, even now when they ask, then I get to know, okay, about so many vocabularies, so many new words.
Hmm.
Which
At
is going.
first, I'm also learning these days.
Yeah, yeah.
But still, when I use at that time, sometimes I know the meaning, sometimes I don't know the word. It
Yeah,
happens.
yeah. It happens. Yeah, it happens. Yeah, even though
It
we are learning
happens.
on a daily basis, but still it happens.
But still, yeah, because we don't have that environment. Like
Hmm.
we are speaking with someone like as I'm speaking with you, I'm
Hmm.
speaking with my with my students also.
Hmm. Hmm.
But
Hmm.
at home, we don't talk in English language. Like we really talk, like few
We don't feel good.
sentences.
Means
Yeah,
it's a
we
homely
don't feel
feeling.
connected.
Yeah, don't
Yeah,
feel
we don't
connected.
feel connected to each
Yeah,
other. So
yeah.
that's why.
If I will
So
ask to something to my son or to my husband, so obviously with that time we use a native language. Native language we connect more.
yeah, but when we go out at that time, we try to speak in English, you know, to show
Hmm.
off only,
Hmm.
to show
Hmm.
off only that we
Yeah,
also
yeah. We
know we
try
are
to.
educated.
Yeah, we are.
If we are going on a metro at that time, we love to talk in English,
Yeah,
whether they are talking in or not, but we
yeah,
love to talk.
yeah.
So in this way, we can talk, but
This is a good
usually we don't talk
opportunity
in this
also.
language.
Means this is a, which I feel it's a good opportunity, so that because English is, in India especially, it's a kind of fear more than that.
Yeah, and
Fear in
fear is
people's
what?
mind
To make mistake.
to make mistake
Fear
and
is all
to
about
judge.
making mistake.
Making mistake and means obviously when I will talk to the other people, so
Yeah.
they will start to judge me in their different parameters, which I have already in my
I
mind.
haven't, I have not took care of, taken care of. I have never taken care of these type of things or about others also.
Mm,
I have never taken care of it because
mm,
if I'm making mistake, that means I'm using my energy, I'm using my tongue, I'm using my brain. Why should
mm,
I take care of others? They're
mm,
not helping me even, you know.
mm,
I, I can take care of them if they are helping me, if they are
mm,
rectifying my mistakes. In that
mm,
case, I can take care of them.
mm,
Otherwise, you're not helping me. You're making fun of me. You're
mm,
pulling my leg. You are like demotivating me. Why should I take care of you? I
mm.
will never take care of you.
Yeah, obviously. But in India, na, it is very easy. Means it's more
That's
than that.
very common.
It's very common. The first thing which people are still they are facing difficulty while learning English and while especially speaking because of that fear. Even though they can speak, I have seen so many people they can speak on audio call, on video call,
Yeah,
but when it
but
comes
they
to a
can't
real
speak
people,
physically. Yes.
real
You
people,
know
real.
what? Which type of problems I faced while speaking English initially?
Hmm.
Whenever I used to speak few words or few sentences in English, my brother, my mother, like everybody in my family, they used to tell,
Hmm.
"Oh, English bol rahi hai."
Yeah.
So at
Yeah.
that point, we feel like, "Oh my God, I'm doing some crime or what?" You
Guilty,
know?
yeah, guilt kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, the first
So,
fight start from our family.
yeah,
As a
they were praising in this way. They were
yeah,
praising, but
yeah,
the way of praising, na,
it's
that was
different.
not good.
And then we
That was
mean
different.
okay, yeah. Suppose when we say something wrong, okay, you are means you are pronouncing the word in the wrong manner. So that time we sometimes
I
also
don't
also
care.
feel
I
like
don't
that.
care. I
Yeah.
just smile. I just say, "Oh, yes, yes, I did mistake. Oh, I
But
was doing it willingly." I said that
yeah,
I was doing it willingly.
yeah,
I wanted to check you that you can catch me or not.
yeah, this is a good idea.
Yeah. I don't want to demotivate myself in any way. I
Yeah,
don't want to do it with
great.
myself
Yeah.
because it's my life. I have all right to make mistake, to learn from my mistake, to learn something or to do anything. But
Mm-hmm.
you can't control myself. You can't control my life, you know?
Great, great.
Yes, like today in the morning, I got one comment on Facebook. he was saying, I don't know, he was saying to me or he was saying to the lady who was
Hmm.
talking to me in that video. He was saying like you make mistake while speaking because she's a learner,
Yeah.
so she was making many mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
I also make
Mm-hmm.
sometimes, I also make,
Mm-hmm.
everybody does the same. So he was like he wrote us comment like you make grammatical mistakes while speaking. I said that's not our language,
Mm-hmm.
and we have all right to make mistake.
Yes.
When foreigner speaks Hindi, they also make many mistakes,
Mm-hmm.
more than us. And when
Mm-hmm.
we speak in our mother tongue, at that also we make mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
So don't you do?
Yeah.
So he was saying, look, he deleted the
Yeah.
comment.
Paying in the same
I
coin.
rarely get negative comment on Facebook or anywhere. I
Yeah.
rarely get because I have the answer, good answer for everybody. So
Yeah.
that's why I I don't. Hmm.
You always
Okay.
prefer to pay in the same coin.
Politely.
Yeah, that is a good
Yes.
way. Obviously, means we have a right to make mistake because this is not our mother tongue. Even in our mother tongue, we make lot of mistake.
Yeah. We don't use full sentence.
Hmm.
We eat the sentence
Hmm.
in
But we
between.
are not
You
caring,
know?
bothering about at that time.
Yeah.
But in
We
English,
don't use fancy words and
hmm,
difficult words in Hindi.
yeah.
We never use dhanyavad,
Hmm.
saubhagya hai,
Hmm. Hmm.
and
So many
अब
words.
पता नहीं क्या क्या
Yeah,
यार. We
yeah.
don't use,
Even
even we
Hindi.
don't know.
Hmm. Hmm.
We
Hmm.
don't know.
We
Hindi is
don't.
very difficult.
Very difficult. Yeah, and
But
when
at
we
least
comes
we
to
are
reading
able
Hindi,
to speak English. At
Hindi,
least we are
English
able
is
to speak.
quite
There are
easy.
many people.
Hmm.
Yes, of
English
course.
is easy.
Hmm.
This is an easy language. Actually, nowadays we can get the more exposure even in English, not in Hindi.
Yes.
Everywhere we
No.
can listen, we can read the good books in English. In Hindi, hardly we can get.
Hmm. Sometimes I feel bad about it
Hmm.
that we are not going to see we are not going to see anything in Hindi in future.
Hmm.
People
Hmm.
are like people are forgetting that language. They don't
Hmm.
love to when they speak Hindi, they feel like they are illiterate. They feel so
Hmm.
many people feel in this
Hmm.
way.
Hmm. Hmm.
You know, so
Even
it
it's
is
just
also
a
not good
language.
for our country.
Yeah. Actually, it's just a language, but I don't know. Yeah, this is a very big concern for Indians also. But what happens now? Now English is just like a मतलब it's kind of bridge. And suppose if I want to order something, if I want to do a message to someone, so obviously English is a bridge here.
Everything will be in English.
Yes. So
Yeah,
obviously we are every
everything will
language.
be in.
Yeah. So this language is working as a bridge for us. Suppose if I want to
Yeah,
order
why we are
something.
giving too much importance to English? Yeah?
Hmm.
Everywhere in court, in hospital, in like in medical stores and online shopping, you will get English.
English.
You will get English always. So
Hmm.
why we don't give preference to Hindi?
Hmm.
Why we don't give respect and important to Hindi only? I don't
What
know
do you
why.
think?
That's why people are crazy about learning English.
Yeah. No, what do you think? Why people are doing? Why people are means everywhere we are getting only English language? Because actually, what I feel because it's because of the globalization. Because we are connecting to the people from different
So
different
that's
countries.
also
They are
good.
also
But
here.
because of this reason, na, there are many kids. Like if I know English, so like there are so many families, their parents know English, and their kids they don't know Hindi. They
Hmm.
can't talk in Hindi.
Hmm.
So and they call themselves Indian and they don't
Hmm.
know Hindi.
Hmm.
You know.
Because since their childhood,
And
they are not getting the
nowadays we
information.
can see there are so many fights are going on in Maharashtra and South side.
Hmm.
They love for their language, their own language, their mother tongue. You speak Marathi, you speak Telugu, you speak this, you speak this. What is this? We are
Hmm.
Indian. We can
Hmm.
speak in any language. There are many options. You can't
Yes.
pressurize anybody to talk in this language on that
Yes.
language.
Yes.
We can't
Obviously.
do it.
Yeah.
First of all, we need to be Indian. We need to be polite to anybody. You
Hmm.
know your language. I don't know. Then how would I connect with you? You can
Hmm.
speak in English or in
Hmm.
Hindi.
Hmm.
If like this is a communication language only.
Hmm.
There is
Hmm.
nothing more than this.
Yeah.
But people are giving too much importance to their mother tongue or in this language and that language. In South also, in Maharashtra also, they're fighting, they're killing. That's
Hmm.
very bad.
Because yeah, yeah. Actually, it's
That's very bad.
Yeah, it's all about the mindset.
It's your personal choice. It's an
Hmm.
individual choice that which language do you want to talk, do
Hmm.
you want to learn, in
Hmm.
which language do you want to talk. It should
Talk.
be your choice, and
Hmm.
in which you feel comfortable you can
Comfortable.
talk.
Obviously,
There should not be any pressure.
Yeah, obviously, it should not be, because obviously in this language I will feel comfortable to talk to the people. I feel better because this is a language
Yeah.
so that we can communicate,
Hmm.
isn't it?
But we can't force anybody to speak our mother tongue or our language, state language,
Yeah.
So especially in Rajasthan, Haryana, UP, Bihar, these people they and Himachal and Uttarakhand, they never force anybody to speak their language.
Mm-hmm.
They are very humble, they are very polite in this way. They
Mm-hmm.
never force, no, you have to speak in Haryanvi, you have to speak in Bihari, you have to speak
Yeah.
in UP language, you have
Mm.
to speak like Bhojpuri, you have to speak in Gadwali, you have to
Mm.
speak in Kumaon. They
Yeah.
never force anybody.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
when you entered in South or you entered in Maharashtra,
Hmm. Okay.
where do you belong to? Oh, you are
Actually, I
living in
was born.
Noida, but where do
Yeah,
you
yeah.
belong
I
to?
was born and raised in Uttarakhand.
You want to learn in your future? What is the next things? Now you are learning English. I'm also learning English. I'm also learning riding bike and driving car. What is the next thing which you want to learn
Yeah,
in your
actually
future?
now I'm totally in this language, and now I started teaching also. And firstly, I want to brush up my skill in English, as I'm already
No,
doing.
I'm not talking about English. I'm not talking
No,
about English.
firstly I'm
Every
trying.
time English, English.
Yeah, no, no. Firstly, I'm trying to do means brush up my skills, and after that, obviously, I want to do teaching. I want to become a language trainer, and obviously, driving a car is also means a dream which I can see. But now,
Okay.
because of the means
If you
traffic,
have a
I'm
dream,
losing my
you
interest.
have been thinking for a very long time.
Yeah,
Why don't
yeah.
you start?
Yeah, so even today I was discussing means should I, because it now it's need also every time
Yeah,
means,
of course.
yeah, it's even becoming more and more. Sometimes I feel
Whatever
very,
is written in our whatever is written in our destiny, that will happen. Whatever
hmm,
you do.
yeah,
If you are sitting at your home, still
yes,
that will happen with you.
yes,
So
yes,
why don't you try to learn?
yeah,
You are afraid of a cause of foot traffic and all.
hmm,
Whatever whatever is written in your destiny, na, that will happen wherever you are.
yes.
So don't afraid about like मैं मर जाऊंगी. मरना तो सबको
No,
है यार. एक दिन
yeah,
सबको मरना है.
yeah, not because of me, actually because of the other people. Means I don't feel कि because of me and because of my mistakes
डोंट
something.
केयर यार. मतलब इतने मतलब आप कौन होते हो सबकी केयर करने वाले? सब
So
है,
that is a
सबका
big
सब.
concern.
Everything is written already.
Yeah, that is a big concern.
you know
Otherwise, obviously, when I started to ride a bike, scooty, so that time we were means I was not means in that dilemma, should I go or not, because it was very needed at that time.
yeah, and now there
It
is
was
no
need
need.
of the
That's
hour,
why you think too
like
much.
English. Yeah, it was at that time. It was need of
Yes.
the hour because we did not have any
Mm.
vehicles. So I started to learn, and then firstly I started to learn, and then I started to burn. But now, actually, we have option. I think I have option so that we can take a
Yeah,
bike,
that's why
a
na
cab. We
metro
can.
is there,
Mhm.
Ola, Uber, this,
Mhm.
that. There are many options.
Yeah, and
But
now
still,
the
we should know whether we are
hmm,
not driving every
hmm,
day, we are not riding every day, but we must know
and the big
if
and the
there is
one more
emergency,
reason,
so we can drive at that
drive.
time.
Yeah, actually, one more reason is that na, in Noida, everything we are getting at our home. Everything. Suppose
But
if I
in
want something.
Noida, in Noida, you can see the fresh road and empty road.
Hmm.
You can. I love Noida.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
nowadays there is also becoming a next Gurgaon, Gurugram.
Yeah, yeah. Means there are a lot of traffic actually.
Everywhere.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
one more thing means easily we are getting the things at our home. So this is also reason why we feel okay, we become lethargic. We are becoming more lethargic. Why we go outside, everything we are getting at
Seriously.
home.
Hmm.
So this is also a reason. So let's see how I
Yes.
means I will fulfill my
No,
dream.
if
But
you
yeah,
have desire, if you
yeah,
have urge to learn,
yeah.
you should try.
But yeah, I
You
have.
should give a try.
Yeah.
Yes, you should
Let's
try.
see.
From Sunday onward,
Yeah.
you will
Let's
have
see.
time.
Yeah.
You should
And
try.
and
I want
and,
to
and
see your
after that
video
now one more is suppose if I learnt it means and after that means I should have means what I feel I should have some reason so that I can go somewhere.
to
Suppose
go
if
out.
I will not, yeah, if I will not
That's
drive.
what I'm telling. Na, I want to get my bike on road alone
Hmm,
without having any reason.
hmm, hmm,
But I feel like for what? I should take it out.
hmm,
I don't have any reason.
hmm,
So, but when a boy start learning anything, they don't feel about others, they don't care about
Hmm.
others, they go for a long drive, you know,
Yeah. But
without
some,
having any reason. But
yeah,
we are bounded ourselves with so many
yeah,
like
yeah,
boundaries and with so many things.
yeah.
We cares others, we
As
cares
a
about
homemaker,
others,
actually,
and
we do
that's
not
not
want
good.
to go unnecessarily, even
Yeah,
when we
and
need
that's
it.
not good for our mental health. That's not good our
Mhm.
good for our mental health, you know.
Hmm. This is also a reason. Actually,
Because
this is also a big reason, even what I feel. Suppose I learned it, I can learn because I want to learn. And after 15 days, 1 month, I will feel, okay, where should I go? I means obviously, no, I don't have any reason to go out so that I can
go
drive.
for a like as we go for a walk for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it's like that you can go for a
Hmm.
long drive.
Yeah, yeah. But for that, you should be like
Yeah,
this. Your aura or
you know this only that you don't have
it
anything to
will
do,
come.
like you are going away, you are going without having any reason, but
Yeah.
people will think that she must be going somewhere,
Yeah,
right?
let's see.
She
Yeah.
must have some work.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
can give that reason to myself also. For
Yes,
starting, actually, yeah, it's very important. Means,
it's be it any field, starting is really very difficult,
hmm,
seriously.
serious.
Yes,
Yeah.
I can understand.
Uh,
Hmm.
uh, it's a very
when
good.
when I talked about learning and riding learning riding bike and driving car, at that time my whole family member, my brothers, my mom and my husband, my father, everybody was saying like, you can't learn because you are
Hmm.
very hot-headed person, so you can't learn.
Yeah.
Driving is not your cup of tea because you must have that silent and what we can say,
Peace,
like
mind.
control over your
Hmm.
anger, but you
Hmm.
are so angry bird, so you can't learn. But I'm learning. I can see so many changes inside me. I can control bike everywhere,
Yeah.
so I can do if you have urge to learn or to do something, so then nothing will stop you.
And you are feeling
Nobody can
confident,
stop you.
means from your inner side,
Huh.
we feel very good.
Yes, my
I
inner
remember
soul
when
always tells that,
yeah,
uh-huh,
I remember when
continue.
I learned the scooty to ride a scooty. So that time I was means in starting initial time, I was feeling very good.
Yeah, it happens. It happens. We feel like whenever I ride bike na, at that time I feel like पंछी बनूं उड़ती
Yeah,
चलूं मस्त
okay.
गगन में.
Yeah, great, great. Yeah.
I feel like
I
this.
feel very good to
I
see
really,
means hmm,
uh,
yeah, I
I
can
also whenever I see any girl or any woman are riding bike, I feel very good, and I love to see them.
hmm,
I love to see them.
hmm. Yeah, yeah. I used to
It's my
see when a woman they drive a car and all and you used to drive at that time also. Now I'm not too much into it, but yeah, before that.
I don't like car, पता नहीं क्यों. I don't like car. I
Yeah.
don't know what is the reason, but I seriously don't like car.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's very safe
Little.
for
Yeah,
kids
safe.
and it's
Yeah.
very like good for
Hmm.
long driving. It's
Right.
very
Yeah.
good. But I
And now it's
personally,
becoming
if you ask my choice, I would choose bike
hmm.
for myself.
Yeah, but for long drive, it's difficult to sit.
Yeah, it's not safe.
Hmm. It's not safe and difficult to sit also.